comes one now. I got him.
You guys like that intro? Pretty funny, huh? So I bet you're wondering why you see me on What the Duck's channel. So here's your answer, guys. Hunter, you know, his real name obviously isn't What the Duck or Duck. His name is Hunter. He is taking a leave of the channel for now, guys. He is going to school to be a game warden, and frankly won't have time to give the channel the attention it wants. So I've spoke with him. We came up with a deal. He might come in and out on the channel. We're not for sure what's going to be happening there yet, but this will stay a diesel and ATV off-road / style channel. It's not changing. I wanted to be the first to pop up a new video on here so you guys could see a friendly face, and I don't want anyone running off. You better not run off from this channel. If anything, I want to see more subscribers coming into this because we've got some really awesome and amazing action happening. If you don't know who I am, my name is Bruce Wilson. I'll put a link in the description below to my channel so you guys can get to know myself a little bit better. I am the owner of After Hours, well, I got some coasters in a way, After Hours Diesel Service. If you've been on the channel for a while, then you should know who I am. I did the build, the P-Pump build on What the Duck's truck. Really cool build, had a lot of fun with him. We've gotten to be really good friends since I did that, so lots of cool history there. So make sure you guys go check out all the videos and the history on his channel and on mine that have to do with us collaborating together and myself building his truck. Like I said before, the channel will be an ATV channel and a diesel truck channel also. I may not be the only one on here. We may have other YouTube creators making videos for the channel, but we want this thing to skyrocket and grow, so we have another avenue for our viewers to watch really cool videos on the internet. I do myself have a Can-Am 650 Outlander. I'm going to drop a video right here where I was out riding in a local place here in town. The next video, the next upload I do, depending on how this one does, will be myself going out for a ride with a lot of my friends on the Can-Am. So here it is, check it out. Now that you've seen that, my office is a mess right now. We've been extremely busy. I'm going to give you guys a walk around the shop right now. We are extremely busy here at After Hours Diesel, so you can see what we're all about and what we've got going on here. It is a little dark outside, so we're going to try to make do with the best we can. So here at After Hours Diesel, we work on a little bit of everything from Duramaxes to Dodge trucks to people beating on stuff with hammers. We do full engine rebuilds, transmissions. Basically, if you have a diesel truck and you come here to the shop, there's nothing we can't or cannot do for your diesel truck, whether it be rebuilding, upgrading, all kinds of, even repairs. So hopefully it's not too dark. We'll walk out here right quick. Like I said, I apologize for being dark outside on this video, but this is a diesel drag truck we're currently building for a customer right now. This thing's badass. Here's the body panels on the ground. As you can see, this truck is extremely fast. If you guys want to follow the build on this, it will be popping in and out on this channel and on mine. If you look mine up, it'll be up Bruce Wilson's Garage. So lots of cool stuff happening there. We have lots of awesome other projects that will be happening on What the Duck channel. We haven't decided if we're going to give the channel a new name yet. We're not sure, but we've got a Mustang we're working on building. We've got a 944 Porsche. We may be doing an LS swap or a Cummins swap in there. We're not sure what's going to be happening with that. We have all kinds of so many projects, it's insane and almost impossible to keep up with half of them. You should see my lists I keep wrote down everywhere. So we'll walk back here in the shop and see what's happening. Just a little introduction. This is my little brother Aaron. He does all kinds of shenanigans with us on my channel also. Richard here in the shop. He is our parts washer. Almost like my fiance. She's my dishwasher at home. Just kidding. Just kidding. He's cool. He's cool. He's like getting ready to hit me with something. we like to have a good time, goof off, and have a lot of fun. So I'm gonna drop some clips from my channel so you guys know what you're getting yourself into. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss what's coming for the new What the Duck channel. Lots of amazing things. I'm gonna drop some clips right here. The goofiness, the craziness, all the just off the wall stuff we've done on my channel. So hold tight and check this out right now.
AKA my forehead hitting it. Ooh! She sounds like good old Cummins. Bro, see, I'm gonna adjust your mirror. Wait a second. Tell me that's a black ice. Is that a black ice?
It's black ice. It's a Country Boy ice. Man.
Oh, I knew it was gonna be black ice.
You want to feel a third gear burnout?
You're doing a third gear launch?
Third gear launch.
Third gear launch.
Yep.
Oh.
Failed.
Oh, I thought we were. That was very sideways. That was very sideways.
This thing sounded like. Yeah. The idle sounds a little bit different than it usually does.
First test drive. Better?
Yeah, it feels a lot more responsive like you're talking about. It honestly feels different. I don't know if it's because I haven't driven the truck in so
Different
long.
feel. The throttle's a lot more touchy, or a lot more responsive.
I haven't driven so long. I was just driving it. It sounds so good too. Like I was sitting up there at the stoplight, or the stop sign.
Oh yeah.
It's so much different at idle than it used to sound.
Night and day difference. This truck turned out badass. So now that you see what we're all about, I hope you guys don't leave the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe and stay here with us for this amazing journey we're about to start on the new What the Duck 2.0. And let's have a great time. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, drop a comment down below on your thoughts of all these big changes happening. We'll catch you in the next upload.